Okay, so this is a pie chart question, and let's see what we're asked to do. It says here the pie chart gives information about the people who went to a shop last week. Question A, what fraction of the people were girls? Give your answer in the simplest form. Alright, so let's have a look, let's see what we've got, see what we're told, and see what we have to find out. What do we've got? We've told that 60 degrees of this circle make up the boys, 60 degrees of this same circle make up the girls, so there will be the same number of boys as girls. 90 degrees of the circle make up men, and the rest are the women, but we don't know any more than that. What do we need to know? We need to know that there are 360 degrees in a circle. There you go. And we need to know that 60 of those degrees are made up by girls. So we'll write the fraction 60 over 360. We can simplify it by just cancelling off the zeros, so we'll do that. Cancel the zeros off top and bottom. That gives us 6 over 36. And hopefully you know your times tables, and you'll know that 6 goes into 36 exactly 6 times. And so your simplest fraction is 1/6. And there you go. That's the answer to part A. Let's move on to part B. 30 boys went to the shop. Work out the number of women. Okay, so we've got a bit of work to do now. Let's just have a look at this pie chart again. We're told that there's 30 boys there. There you go. So if there's 30 boys, because it's the same number of degrees for girls, we know that there are 30 girls, but we're not asked that. What we can do now is work out how many degrees of this circle are taken up by one person. So if 60 degrees are taken up by 30 people, if we divide 60 by 30, we get 2, and in this case it's 2 degrees. So now we know that for every 2 degrees we've got one person. Alright, we know that the men take up 90 degrees. So if we add 60 and 60 and 90 together, let's do that. 60 plus 60 plus 90, that's going to equal, quick, 210, too late, 210 degrees. We know that there's 360 degrees in a circle, so if we take 210 away from that, we're left with 140 degrees. I'll just write it over here a bit. 140 degrees. Go back to what we were just saying. Every 2 degrees is one person. So let's divide that by 2. That means there are 70 women. There you go. Happy days. Thank you very much.